Hey guys.
Hello! That looks like the Propeller ASC board.
Yeah, our buddy Martin Hodge makes this, and it's kind of really handy. We've used it on a few projects before. Um, Basically, what it is a propeller chip, but on an Arduino Shield compatible layout here.
So you can plug in Arduino shields?
Yeah, and Martin sent us some shields to play with, and we're just getting a chance to play with them now. Here is a KVM shield from him.
And what can that do?
Well, PS2 keyboard, mouse, and composite video.
Ah, I see. Cool.
So I was thinking about what I could use the keyboard in particular with. And I came up with this little idea here, which is this board is a very simple board. It's 555 timer oscillating. And it's just got a couple of resistors here that set the frequency at which it oscillates. And same with that capacitor. And a transistor that turns the whole circuit on and off, and a piezo so we can actually hear the frequency it's oscillating at.
Okay.
So this right here, I mean, this is just power, ground, and a control pin.
Cool.
So we plug this into our board, and it gets its power straight off the header, and one of the pins is connected to one of the output pins of the propeller.
Okay.
So I'm gonna put this back together, and we'll see what it does. Okay, so here we've got the board put back together. The nice part about the Arduino Shield system there is that you can just sort of stack it and stick it together, and it all just stays and works, which is nice.
Yep.
And in this particular board is much better for us because it has a propeller on it. We like to do more than one thing at a time.
We're pro Propeller.
Like here we're doing keyboard scanning at the same time as we're doing the, well, why don't you show them what we're doing?
Okay. Well, and just in case you didn't see, there is an LED on this board here. So. Heh.
So what are you doing there?
I am typing into this keyboard, which is making this light and the piezo speaker thing go and show us what the Morse code version of it is.
Alright, but I built a buffer into that so you don't have to hit it one key at a time like that.
True.
You can just type out a Morse code message, like maybe CQ, CQ, DX, and your call sign. And
Okay.
don't forget the spaces.
Okay, I can do that. Yay! So if you decode that, then you know my new call sign. And super cool. I like it. This might mean I have to learn it though.
Yeah, and I don't think I'm done with this project either. I think I'll add some stuff to it. What do you guys think I should add? Let us know in the comments.
Yes.
Alright, so let us know what you think about this thing. And, well, we'll be back Tuesday with another hack. And,
As
yeah,
always.
I think that's it for today.
And don't forget today's Zombie Tech with Dr. Cranky, an urgent care clinician. Bye.
ZombieTech.tv.
Oh, yes.
Alright. See you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.
We post videos all the time, so don't forget to subscribe. And follow us on Twitter at TYMKRS.